Okay, I'll try to remember. But if I think I will keep in my mind everything like this.
Wala ko, tuluo lang ka, tumuyo ko sa kali.
Katmok lang kami sa Eagle Seals. Ay, Oy, malungil at osong mera. Tigil ko mas itun inin mertial. To ko sa program ra. TMC. Okay karon rin alsil sa dodong liya. Jason am therapist del olo mais me. Di ngani trigal terul okay karon mama. Ayur amasyo ma kuni Kobayashi, welcome.
Thank you.
Kobayashi is a JICA volunteer. And how long have you been here?
2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Ikaw na mo talaga mo, how long you've been working for JICA?
Namo 5 years.
So you probably speak Japanese more than a lot of young people. I don't know. But let me ask Jason to sort of like introduce you and what did you do, and I will ask questions during the course of the interview. And also, if I ask questions that I don't know, I will ask her.
Okay.
And she will talk to you. All right, so, Jason, the floor is yours.
Ma'am Sulange, rabo raidunge. Sula talte alle mal lungili tasil sa mera tirakal lokyara TMC lo mesitel program. Da mena suleme irubakal miskita te alle men se edel gukmoa Mr. Kobayashi ma ayur el mem gdukor o isil mera rather bela rogui program niya magategat the partner lo bangela JICA hospital may kagilitian na syogara Mr. Kobayashi ngal kunia a physical therapist bora idun dinga direct the blood request ring mail lo yayel to kubet sa specialty ring in addition to him being a physical therapist kita dia ka sa hospital diri ka kalboring arwa respiratory care yid engal kuni tanga ringil enga not only is he a physical therapist dengan niya background ring na respiratory therapy sira tungo kadumnom dingi kusengka nga amne physical therapist ra ICU ra hospital Siabal makadukulo mara ko sa tungon me sa elgup me ngosugi del trainer kamamel nga rehab department yel niya ukte kimsal man madu niya tukora rehab ra ICU limok niya tukora respiratory care mangka mlabangge del lerurah wabal tawal ko ora last week niya lang mamleswado mutate alle me ora di sate al mo ko di palo ay cycle experience niya kan omre lerurah ilang man to ka rule na ungulin mera ko ka skill development ka mamalurur PT din dire ka tilob del mera abalo mamrura program sa abalo lo mitira at mamal to dire ka mora all the age center mabuto ka igel rule gora swado gukto ay sra buay le ka dire del dimon mera ka sula la JICA tiam ka tel partnership lang kani ilang kal kuni amo mong enrollment el volunteer blood request ngira sa ko tulo mo ulgo mo sa edlo ngitra ngesura Siabal el volunteer kaya mo number 6 del volunteer blood all mail ol ngasel provider service olis akla ara ka mamana nga PT ma akmana nga sulira attention ra kami lo sa program so ka pay biskat al mo kara question ra kuni ay gel go ra question go melut tilgira ara kalila rior physical therapy hospital guys ikal mo ngiringi di kita sodor nga malgo korati tria kunir experience ringi masel go to kora JICA kaida yur men sel go ko ay segel nga batokol el ngal suwira JICA mera government belaw ma gidro ko ada kaman sulat.
So good afternoon Mr. Kobayashi.
Good afternoon.
Question number one. What do you think about Palau?
Palau is, yeah, you know, it's good to live. So, like, there is a lot of kindly people and beautiful sea. So, I always go to Rock Island. Then sometimes enjoy the fishing. Yeah, and sometimes go to Garard. Then then communicate with Palawan people. Yeah, it was a good time for me.
So why do you go to Garard?
One of the rehab staff living Garard, so she invited me her house. Then she cooked some food, Palawan food, and how to fishing. Yeah, I enjoyed that.
Okay. So during your 2 years already,
Yes,
what do you think about our hospital?
hospital. Yes, I tried something activities. For example, study sessions for develop staff skills, and like for example, teach how to do respiratory rehearsal, ICU rehearsal. Yeah. Everybody try to all things. So, but still need to have a challenges. Yes.
There's a lot of challenges in
Yes.
the hospital area. Is it hard to be a physical therapist in Japan?
In Japan.
If you go to school,
Yes. Yeah, physical therapists have to get not like a license, need a license in Japan. So we have to study at least 3 years in Japan.
to be a physical therapist.
Yes.
I was able to come yesterday to the PT,
Yes.
and so I was asking him a question, and let me ask you: do you think Palau need more acupuncturist or physical therapist, or both?
Both. Actually, both.
Both? Are they more?
Yeah, they help like acupuncturists help like decrease the pain, then range of motion, then collaborate with acupuncture, then we provide the exercise for patients.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
So if you have a something that require us to do the exercise, you teach us what kind of exercise
Yes.
do you go through.
Correct.
What about he mentioned the respiratory specialist? What is that?
What is that? So, some patient has a pneumonia. So,
Oh, okay.
yes. So, then always like lay down on the bed. So we help patient. Then sometimes sit down the bedside or sit in a wheelchair. Then, if patient cannot take out the phlegm, so we do a suction for take out the phlegm.
Sila kumuklong itiral sila.
Are you also an acupuncturist?
No,
It's just a physical.
only physical therapist.
So that was a very interesting thing. I never been to PT, but yesterday I had an opportunity to come in. So it's a interesting department of hospital.
Oh, thank you.
Do you think physical therapist can help you from your addictions,
Addictions.
like drug addictions, alcohol, cigarette?
Yes, sure. Sure.
Oh, really?
How?
Like, why?
Let's say I'm a alcoholic,
Alcoholic.
and I want to come and can you help me?
So how? So we we share the how to relax methods and like exercise methods. Then maybe cannot stop alcohol, but decrease the alcohol volume. Then maybe
Little by little.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Why don't you, if I may, you mentioned your study sessions. You mo ko in continuing education.
Yes.
So part ra direct el gora requirement ra kunisel dul mel bela direct el gile el melis akl mangarngel ko deliverables ri ko se al sela talbuil tela el clase girem larmul el mera staff men lay magi miktab kuk system ra sa department ra ma mo pek el Thursday sil ngara trido dorira afternoon ya yo class el 1 hour bangelo en walong ako kung el topic or orang one el sa arelas me ar trigel gora malo de kukrawar en ulme e the smoothie e ko nga adu el as a class nya instructor so yegi da bebira wa al kim mura sa gimal na tanga tringira JICA ma central expert el mele ani il plaga sube kita makatera tengara bro mo badingin sel guk tu tesal guk tele adra shabala lorungi kada kulme ngulo sisbira tel guk to system bergid improve ra so maybe you can share to our host some of the CE class and how we go about doing CE class.
CE class. So I tried it to CE. So rotated
CE stands for
continuing education.
continuing education.
Yes. Then we rotated other physical therapists and occupational therapists. Then to maintain continuity, like I wanted to try every Thursday. So that's why I rotated that. Then I shared my experience with respiratory and like a vital sign. Why vital sign is important? Yes. Yes.
So are they good
And
students or?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So that's been every Thursday for the last 2 years.
Yes.
So you think the department needs one more JICA or are they qualified enough
Yes.
to come to Japan? What is your recommendation? Do
Very
you
good
think
question.
they send a Palau therapist to come to Japan for a further education or send a JICA representative to Palau? What is your
both is good. Both of them is good, but we only one physical therapist and one occupational therapist. So Palau needs a occupational therapist and physical therapist. Maybe JICA volunteer come to Palau, then help staffs and patients is good.
That's interesting.
Yeah. If some staff wants to come Japan, yeah, that's good thing.
Thank you.
That's good things.
Also very good.
Malula question kam baise do ko ali dingil ko kora mora ayur el sel ko koras modeling kede talaga sing awil lutel metara JICA katangal tanga tele JICA mla ko ngera o ti de regal mo sendra successor mora kuni
Okay,
de kasi lu basa tele la yur ko
So
ko wise
what
rap
are you doing with JICA? What is your job?
Okay. هل ممساول تلتي JICA stands for Japan International Cooperation Agency. And one development partner Palau. Magmalbuto ka, ndakalbuto ka din nga kakaro sa programmer ka ma'am. Alna kutmok la buto project. One project til dir ka malmol mil reel ang tele minato basi. Tele magpa ringi. Edi nga ka area nga ka human resource development unit nga ka gimam ko dong rin JOCV program unit. Yeah, JOCV Japan Overseas Cooperation Volunteer. Yeah, gi recruit ra volunteer siya balanmay el wuk matu regal field dirty. Alme almasera kakarusel officer bela wal el tier ulingit volunteer mo almaser tier. So wa Jason amner kama me ask so melara adel low background ra physical therapy and me almost sir kama regal ko kimos pe ma ulma kuning lay.
Oh, I see.
Mm.
So after this, do you have a job in Japan going back to?
I have to find a new job.
Can they hire you? Can they hire him?
Ngari ngiyar
Can
balen
Palau hire him to work for our government if
I wish.
ngari ngiyar volunteer en la morame ilang ngari ngiya kuk teletele lel girin morame yakut mo
and then from there
en sab idel mutan me kabenta hay.
so if you get a better recommendation from him,
Yes.
you find a better job back home. That's how it works. It's like physical volunteer and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngari nga mga mutan mail net naman niya family tirbela. Ngari nga dito ka PSN ne hire ne chaiga elang hire mo sincere bela. Yeah.
Some years ago, physical therapist was therapy was very short-handed. So most of the people who have the stroke or a little bit disabilities couldn't be cured in a short
Yes.
time. Lately,
We're
it's
fixing
becoming
them.
more attractive department of
Yeah.
medical health. Because there are people like you who
Yes.
represent JICA and make it a acceptable. Because Palawans usually stay away from once you're not physically able. You feel that you're not accepted to society. So that's where we don't want to join. So for you to come, and I think this is my opinion, for you to come and help the therapist area, PT, to be acceptable to most of them. Yesterday, I was so surprised that they have to kick people out.
Yeah, it's too crowded.
That's why I was asking whether we need more therapists or acupuncturists, but I think we need them both.
Yes.
Because most of us didn't have that when we were growing up.
Yes.
So I would say thank you very much for coming here and do that job. Also, I want you to do a good recommendation for our government if necessary. So if they ask for more PT or therapist, include the acupuncturist in your recommendations.
If hindi mo nila
Yeah,
share.
sure.
Please.
Nariya trip per kama malmor Okinawa sa January and then nariya TL na malmit dalawang kailaman ni Chira International Cooperation Division Department ra Okinawa Physical Therapy Association.
Oh, wow.
Tane sorry mit dalawang kama maling na-start discussion or tiril sorry rin lo sikrole leme on servela.
That's great news.
But to kara background or tira tirigale pitira ne stroke patient, especially tirigale kora nanya issue ra brain or tir. So to ne ask ma situation or give ma aigal services ang ngari give. So we tried to answer them aigal kimoting but giman ne askar tira mo sab tralo sikrole
Okay.
and reach out and more kami yung
Sure.
JICA tatral collaborate with
Yes,
them.
feel free to pass my contacts to them. May kita po
yes,
go.
direct ko ba contact with
Oh.
And aside from the hospital, I represent the senior citizens of
Yeah.
Palau right now. We put an organization together, and most of them, maybe 80% of them, need therapists. Seriously. So we will give our information to him because I think most of them would be very happy to host a volunteer to Palau. We are all retirees also,
Sige
so we can be a sponsor.
yes,
Most of
please.
them are retailed government officials in.
Man
but they're-
ka ma'am o sige ra
Housing.
So
Yeah.
I will give you our addresses and everything for the. It's called the RAP, Retirees Association of Palau, and we just organized a year ago. So we're trying to put our program together and see if the association can be of any help to our senior citizens outside the hospital. We gotta do it NGOs and but we are very willing to sponsor a therapist or some other voluntary things that JICA is doing to Palau.
Malungi lang ko sitil at lagita dire ka so dalo ay sa kagita kada na ko siya na por ay do the mal willing el host siya tra hotel challenge el the face risel gukta agency malara our volunteers el mesel mosigia dalong okol boringi triga tabay ko encourage our volunteer mesing kumokira community kum sube a culture ma akal ma language ma mga encourage ra ko sa sawmill el sponsor do el mora obis raway ure ka information link mal sila mal sorry our volunteers mo ta kida kalole nga apartment bay sorry ko kira ba.
That's where I come in from the rep. Eka Jason kam ko ako asra already.
Okay. Mangungile again ko tamaral mereka suler atensyon makal mas kama ta alam sa amal me o si ako nil murabuay ngka kada muil di mereka suler la jaigal giling ngi mamlay malmol malol nga seur gi supporter gi dingka adire kalul makada kada malulungi tra adal wayni sayid kada mlo masada to kora wa respiratory care dia karbela alta ma adikil sa ko sa tara baka sa edel ngol o ge either say adong wa adel physical therapist el mlaw ro re kaya klol background ng educational background ng tat to el may malolis akar gi dem pols edel nga sir tigal ko parawor kita me trigil ko koramo armalo the ma mo menir terorog talil engka mel sakra megel breathing exercise ma tele ala dong okra oral help facilitate malugo makarado ro tel lang sa mo ay ko ra sesera agim silu bra ko ka gano mari kalero rakal el skills ni el kumara ko simla transfer el mer kama melan na mo sa staff el detail bro mal me o ko si el ko kanya to some extent as either mole el ko not being a respiratory therapist per se magada we thank you for the years the trainings that you've given us Dingka ka dilmil meteri, dingka may direct staff. Mangay miss ito ka patient. I know a lot of your patients are gonna miss you. They have approached me saying like, you should keep Kuni and not let him go, but it's not our choice. You have your time is done, but that means that says a lot when patients actually come and don't want to let him go. That means he's done really good work at the hospital. Kada maral nga tanga tani man wila experience ra the entire staff had a really good working relationship, professional relationship and friendship with you kada ngungil 2 years kuktul banggela ko ni kada pisadro ay cycle procura mangarngi kada nga trajayka gitel mo sa edel kukwa mamutel wan el mate one JICA volunteer male direct physical therapist inga direct go kloa expertise ringi na tigel ko ra compound kita na obtokol de me member do mesel emla mamasaw der tel to ra la ngasel ara adel mos edel me sel di manda mang sel go dersi ontige mora JICA pol ollo ay gel ngia adol ngosong seringi kasi ang dakti ko sigira ding idil piti ko sigira pitil ko kora as el muso ko mamal expandra services ko mamal mertiagi tagita ko ra ko mam sa mil sigia adel mel gora ang anyado ngira iganan so mamal ko makasel dulu era no mang yan next el mea ko turur ko improve ay get program lagi tra home health.
I'm recently involved in a lot of NGOs in Palau, and one of them is visiting the senior citizens who are bedridden and who are disabled. So I've been talking to him every now and then, and they need a lot of assistance through grant,
Yes.
through expertise. So we couldn't do it without your department. So most of the time they do it after work. Unpaid volunteer to do the co-build the ramp. or something to hang on to it when you go to the restroom or shower, or we go and just get a guitar and bring an entertainer to sing for the bedridden people.
Oh, I see.
And they're very short-handed.
Mm.
So whatever you do, put it on the last of your list of recommendations
Yes.
to
To
your boss
boss.
in Japan.
Yeah.
We need a volunteer on that to train some of us, especially nurses, and it's something that unfortunately Palau is really the elder you are, you know, you just have to be on the bed and not no more exercises for them, you know.
Yes.
Elang nga 22 volunteer sila ang Arbelaw. One or two volunteer for elderly care. And ke kukomentar other sila
Transition unit, self-SL unit na public health ng hospital.
O nga sir, tiligal caretaker sa mamduol take care tira kay kita. And clients are there. So yeah.
Yung iti at 22 ro ko.
Tira 22. Maturity obangel MOE like school so lon mo sir mathematic education PE.
I think JICA has been doing a very good job.
Yes, definitely.
We grew up, especially my age, we grew up with our parents speaking Japanese more than any other, just Palau and Japanese. So the Japanese characters, Japanese lifestyle, we were born in that era. So they always believe in Japanese discipline. And I grew up to understand that what it means to have a Japanese discipline. You know, it is different from any other society. They respect their elders. They do things that most of the country are not are running away from it, except Japan. So I think being a young man representing your country to this place means a lot.
Yes.
Especially to help people who grew up like me, who understand that our parents grew up with Japanese people, even though we went through a war. We believe in that such small understanding about Japanese society and the way they live, the way they raise their children. So thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much.
Do you have any other thing you want to say to your? We have a lot of guests
Yeah.
watching you, and
Feel free to say whatever
you can speak Japanese if you want to.
Yeah. Okay. All Palawan
Yeah,
people.
yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
very much for 2 years. So this is the first time living Palau. So first 2 years. So it was a challenging to understand the different culture and language, but my their staff also patients, other Palawan people kindly cared me, so I could understand the Palawan custom, culture and language. Yes, so I was able to gain and grow experience. Thank you very much.
I say to add to that, Kuni, we have to also thank you for your patience. Just to understand that healthcare in Japan might be very different than healthcare in Palau. The way the system works, the Palau time. Yeah. So Kuni has never ever been late for 2 years, you were very patient to work around some of the other things that may have not be considered as a standard within the health care, but you found out that it does work. You just weren't used to it. Linguak model system so Kuni was very flexible enough to adjust. Mo akterigid yet ang ngosis akli that yelgo standard na siyabal. So we believe that you also brought the level of care in the department to a much higher standard than prior to you coming. So I think we owe you that as an appreciation for upskilling our team through your training sessions that we did. The staff are confident enough and competent. With your training, I was able to promote one staff from an aide to become a tech. Leng tani tigel ko ka matigi ngani amlami tagay titril mel ma Talkshow ngalgil bella ora department la moni na maskulir aroy de mutel may mela to tani tigel ko tim lartiang idim la kamal il ma school
Dami helperti.
magada gida o secret sa magara dongong kan morsel level dongos a title ning support el justify sel la dongos a cleaning marine level. So his training mlengo suwa kal sa edel upskill our staff ko sil mo react kal mo next level rada wala urior mga we owe a lot to partnership regito la bangla experts gi suwa kal di malmol kurang susel tiagi del dalawil la bangla JICA lek masang de elaborate la tal partnership ra JICA lo bangla department regito la rehab mal significant growth na department legi lo ngitring specialist other specialize in gildol ngosong sa mga malamol malugukti do lo bangila JICA others on ti de gital la mo altratel sa edel malamol product mo masanggel ba esel me taglas edel guk ngongel successor ngil me atrata mo guk miteringi di tiang ako mesing akatingin del guk mo adra JICA almay Raigan no Amerikal tigel guk na mo te meram la me meral wadim la atal guk ta desate al endi awul turo adra JICA dire kalul turo ise kele lungil guk ta tabora mar adal bolo nges tangar ni tirgal lendi tigel mer hospital amom dala ko ni tigel guk terstal ngarabo abalul kiblo molding ertit I'm no mitra ko ni ma'am, especially maybe people of Ngarar that they probably know. In West Side, nga kiram yun sa mga bugira West Side. But hulmer ko si member hulmer ko ti do ay sa programming share experience ni do ura nga sulel. Ura nga sulel error ra kalman ni miring logror. Tiga ta kaludo do la logror. Tamal di harara do lang pwede di sakma di se seludo di aralalen. Inya da ludo do. So it takes a special kind of person to join the JICA program and come here and work very hard, long hours for basically no pay. Kada di ba nga susit mga nirungil atra balula. Hindi gongil el moro itra baluri de me togeta hero ra te mir lo ngosyo. Hindi alo do do to ba chilo. Sula.
Listening to Jason, you are an exception to the rules because of your services to the hospital. And not too many people can receive that statement. If you understand the Palawan language, you are very admired on what you're doing with our hospital. So I hope JICA people heard him. Was the impression they get from this is probably the first talk show with JICA in Palau. Most of the people are just doing their job and then they go. But maybe because you did exception to the rules, that very acceptance to the administration of this hospital, they allow you to do this. And I think the term for a person like you is, again, I can rank you as an ambassador to the hospital. You know? So she's listening. People should admire a person like you. So good luck for your future endeavor.
Thank you very much.
And hopefully they listen to your recommendations when you go back to Japan and tell them what Palau needs at this time. But we sure appreciate everything you did. We make sure I know him. he's a critical guy. So if he admire you, you're a nice person.
Yes.
So good luck.
Thank
And katulad lang sila Jason amat ng kalbuli. Tingin adal am mo ito tab tingin mo ospital. Am tingin was tiral adal JICA malo si again. Alit ito la balwa de ultroklar adal merti. Gagi dile emosyon la here. Ayur. O si gagi naman sa mga niya adal walaw. Ngayon ilek room rabliri ang sorry lo lang siya kuktiya ka ngaran si Edruli dito dabem kilawang kamam. Di mau ay sila adra siya ikam doon sabihin nabeto ka ro nga ka ako may adra sports yung tirga ko tirga ko tiram namin to ro tato ko raklo ko raklo belaw akbal amat taktir sige dat parte na goltal ako belder was tirga nga amdo ra to ko ra guru mang tiya ko ra di kadebel Talkshow at ospital hindi mo tanga tirgel lamo ito tumar bed riden ma malogs pe abtol nges na mo kote material mga this is the department you come to. Michelle wa ako dal top de lungil armo na mo sirgaw hospital was ke silbadinge ya kanda siya ngumil to ako marara to loro ni tirgang yon ni tirgi ro ko yung daw sa trir alak tirgang bibili kita na adigal sabi kira tablo al de kira sen
I see.
mahal nga niya nas tingin may Jason ako miskaw mahal nga niya nas tingin and then
Alkok mo kumsula te alkok mo se so edo sa te lelay ur bidil kal polo ay sra adeng wara JICA Michael ko kalso ng arian at ko corazon mo ng information na JICA kada makara por sel process ra uli tayo sa JICA ay office di aktiga mo era dia kum tiak mo bante tirar maradalela hospital ministerio gidra vice president o ilo ma director sa ngira hospital mereng asulir sel el clamor team sel uldo swil gira del el malamol malmos vertay del logo letro bangila JICA le lagal tiro mara ko se tia kam si le will de will en dia ka wat tia gida dia ka sabi ka dinga kal malmal tel maral mo magumara ko se aralela management team hospital o mara ko se tia del partnership club tutelel support ra ka se kuder se ontik el mara JICA ti ko se po por sel tele si crolel el ngania mospe eme magala di merang asulir tayo del administration mga clover artir mga partnership lang nila JICA mutul di merang asulir ako ni for his time enggal aswal mong el mutul may ako rank so enggal mong engadir gamlo il you just recently got married mabi am latal la may il nel may obligation
is this a better place for honeymoon or
mang among el mutul may nga talaga kalbon last el desakuni kada malmol malki persegi del go ka contact lo bangela kuniling so almong el almutel mera amol talgi be guksol tingil mutel mera tara so thank you kuni e bay so dem sat elela yu on mulgu kodil el tang awala dim na awara specific el question le gorga maybe nga anya so mulgu tishel mera audience el guk di minut kulgiri la system na JICA ma
oo hindi ang malmasaw la Jason na invite nga kay malmasaw lang at al white act na smoothies programmer ko mga niya kakarousel project sa mga what training sa mga igal obvious interested ayiblo all the over labang gala government terbela may NGOs hindi nakakabod sa amal mo private magiblo all the reach out to mga government masuko mga rin tirigel ay lobbies sa lokora interested at program al malar volunteer mo al certir mar adari ang sabil di ko la kamera 488-5373 musori de etira ngol sa adal lumara ringi direct nga niya training na kamam el morar our other lawyer government masuwang mga niya avamal el swam sen tirma training
Oh.
nga kana start el mo o ngara gidale training
Okay.
man sa MD o Isaac mo ul madadur sa MD o Isaac nga kalubo ka madadur Eileen mula senswa ka abakal pura training at tiagipel area sabihin mo suka kal sigira shabal kama o ngara alal mo o si prolele ore di gibloan malar on team el angin mo training for next year.
Matandi lang ako sa suwak.
Oh. Yeah.
Kaya mo ako
So,
suwakal mo
Yeah.
si Prela training mo ra ma'am. Abang. Kaya mo ako sa Raul giren di say giren. Di ala ko do si onti el giren la next year. Abang. Sulang.
Direct kal kimalon gitra adra plum el celeste tira adra shaban rale el por onge dertir el muy titira muy le tira direct kal waise selora el al blul adet namral mochen sa pagkartelir da kasal way maramo talkipel ko reserve ngani tirgel ko open di ngani tirgel ko mes mal sabire longot adurtir el ngasutrire ngaria adol ko ngaria itera blil el sabire el qol lo Isaac mong tongil hostra valentira kimal appreciate yeah
saula JICA rangi sullo miskida adalwelaw akong daswang kada siya identified was yung ka oron merwelaw ang ka tourist teka ka rin bulwa makadumingil was yung ka kira na ibon ramam madita rolil yung kada hook bol atir kita ikal muklo bululwa JICA masyabal adi ba tuwira atin
May say.
simple kirti mo wira at
Asaw.
then all getting was yung Palawan spirit. Kasi mo will it selbom dong ok lebo mo will lorne sa in bato kabla ng spirit kit hindi ka totangi ang lisa ka mo smer mo ituto mo speangis no kung ter mamar at tel TMC meringa sulela Mr. Kuni Kobayashi. Thank you very much for serving us in our country.
Thank you very much.
And also relay our message to JICA to say thank you very much for sending me to Palau. Because you did a very good job according to him. And then JICA, you are most welcome to use this station. If you want to do the advertisement, you wanted to promote your program, that's why we're here. We're here to promote everything, just to make Palau a better place to stay. Hindi kaya kita nga kamari nga sulit tira kaya meron na Jason man blakarong tiya katingil tiyal PT kadamdaman tira makita singir itu tumar tiro gra school
May say.
na kokakan mo therapist ina kadamdaman tiyam kung daswa a progress na pitir wala man ngari so as appreciate ka mo mega ko man sulang esaya to bet sa program ra so TMC mau cellphone niya bes takaw ka na